Create a new document from template. Search for a family tree template. Select and click Create. Using SmartArt. Click the Insert tab. Select Illustrations. Click the SmartArt icon. Create a hierarchy. Select the visual style of your choice, and it will appear over the spreadsheet. The new diagram can be dragged around and enlarged just like any Excel object. You can also change colors. Fill out the family tree. Click on each shape within the diagram to type the name of your family tree. Using a basic spreadsheet, click the Insert tab. Select Illustrations. Click Insert Shape. Choose any shape. Click and drag in the spreadsheet to draw the shape. Write your name in the shape. Adjust the font size, color, and other styles if you would like. Copy and paste to create more shapes. Arrange them in a family tree. Click on each shape and type to write in the name of each relative. Insert lines. Click the Insert tab. Select Illustrations. Click Insert Shape. Choose any lines. Click and drag in the spreadsheet to draw a line connecting a shape with the other. Adjust size, color, and other styles if you would like. As before, copy-paste to create new lines and drag them into position. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.